Hey there, curious minds! Ever heard of blockchain? It's kind of a big deal. No, seriously, it's changing the world. Think of it like the internet, but for keeping track of stuff. Important stuff. We're talking about a technology that's shaking up industries. From finance to healthcare, blockchain is making waves. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz to understand it. In the next few minutes, we're going to break down blockchain in a way that even your grandma could understand. Get ready to impress your friends with your newfound knowledge. Let's dive in. Okay, imagine a giant digital notebook. That's basically what a blockchain is, a ledger. But instead of tracking your grocery list, it records transactions. Think Bitcoin, Ethereum, all that jazz, and guess what? This ledger is shared across a network of computers. Now here's where it gets interesting. This isn't your average run-of-the-mill ledger. Blockchain is special because it's decentralized. That means no single person or entity controls it. It's like the Wild West of ledgers, but with more security and way less dust. Oh, and did we mention there are over 10,000 different blockchains out there? Yeah, it's a whole thing. Each one is unique, like snowflakes made of code, but they all share some key features that make them super secure and transparent. All right, let's break down how this whole blockchain thing actually works. Imagine each transaction as a block of data. This block contains info about the sender, the receiver, and the amount. It also has a timestamp and a unique fingerprint called a hash. Now, when a new transaction happens, a new block is created and added to the chain. This chain is constantly growing as more blocks are added. Once a block is added, it's practically impossible to tamper with. Why? Because each block is linked to the one before it, creating an unbreakable chain. Think of it like a line of dominoes. You knock one over and the rest follow. But in this case, it's way harder to knock over a domino in the middle of the chain without messing everything up. That's the beauty of blockchain. It's secure by design. Section 4. Why blockchain matters. The perks of going decentralized. So why should you care about blockchain? Well, for starters, it's decentralized. That means no more middlemen. You can send money, share data, or even vote without relying on banks, governments, or any other third party. Pretty cool, right? But wait, there's more. Blockchain is also transparent. All transactions are recorded on the public ledger, so anyone can see them. This makes it incredibly difficult for fraud and corruption to thrive. And since the data is encrypted, it's also super secure. And let's not forget about efficiency. Blockchain transactions are processed much faster than traditional methods. Plus, it can automate complex processes, saving time and money. It's like a well-oiled machine, but instead of gears and grease, it runs on code and cryptography. Section 5. Blockchain in action. From groceries to governments. Blockchain isn't just some abstract tech concept, folks. It's already making a real-world impact in various industries. Take supply chains, for example. Blockchain can track products from farm to table, ensuring authenticity and reducing waste. In healthcare, blockchain can securely store and share medical records, giving patients more control over their data. And in finance, it's revolutionizing payments and remittances, making them faster and cheaper. Even governments are getting in on the action, using blockchain to improve voting systems, track land ownership, and increase transparency. The possibilities are practically endless. Want to learn more about the mind-blowing world of blockchain? Hit that subscribe button and join us on this wild ride. Trust us, you don't want to miss out. So there you have it. Blockchain in a nutshell. It's a revolutionary technology with the potential to change the world as we know it. Stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows, maybe you'll be the one building the next big thing in the blockchain space. Crypto Inspector is out.